with glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to who we belong, we grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters! This is the first in the series called Glow Up on a Budget. Saving you some money, saving you your time, saving you that energy to put into yourself and glow up and see who you can be. Today's video is about the charcoal glow up, and the reason why I chose this mask to do is because another glow getter, Kadri, actually told me about her experience, and I was just like, hey, I've tried a lot of masks before, but I've never tried the activated charcoal mask or the black charcoal mask. It was my first time, but I was really excited and enthused to actually be like, ooh, skincare journey, ooh, because I'm not a girly girl, but I've been growing into my girl zone and taking care of me and taking care of my hair, skin, nails, and all that jazz. I have my St.Ives Blackhead clearing mask, which I use all the time, African black soap, the black mask, which is the charcoal peel off mask, and my fave exfoliation gloves. Right now I would recommend this mask because I basically use it every other week. It says that you can use it every 3 days, but I use it every other week because I exfoliate in between. So it's very essential for you to watch the progress. But I must say that it was not harsh on my skin. I didn't tear my skin at all, and it was really good. So big up you guys out there that are actually gonna try your own black mask at home, and let us know in the comments below how it's going. I wish you all the best, and don't forget to glow up and see who you can be. Like, share, subscribe, and watch. all their videos.